Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Let's Talk Security. Hope you are doing great wherever you are. So today we will be seeing Facebook Marketplace QR code scam. How we tricked the scammers and left them confused who posed themselves as an Indian army. Let's get started. My friend Alice recently started selling organically grown mangoes through Facebook Marketplace. One fine evening, I got a call from her. She said one of her clients who wanted to purchase mangoes sent her QR code image insisting her to scan using Google Pay. She felt something fishy and immediately reached out to me. I informed her it's a scam and not to scan it. She got disappointed and felt bad for the fact she was about to get scammed, for which she believed to be a real business deal. After some time, I met her to understand the whole story. Alice posted an advertisement for selling homegrown mangoes in Facebook Marketplace. After a day, Alice got a message from two profiles in Facebook asking for a contact number, though she updated her contact number in the image itself, that is, in the advertisement itself. Post this, Alice received a call from a person named Srikanth. Srikanth called Alice and he said he works for Indian Army and needed 200 kgs of mangoes. Alice, believed to be a real customer, and pinged Srikanth in WhatsApp with what advance amount to be paid before she confirms the order. Srikanth said he will pay the advance first and asked Alice to send her Google Pay number. Alice sent her Google Pay number to him. Next, a person named Ramesh Raju, who poses himself as Srikanth's assistant and works for Indian Army, calls Alice. After 30 minutes, Ramesh calls Alice and informs her that Srikanth is busy and he is his assistant, and Srikanth asked him to take it forward. He also asked the Google Pay number of Alice again and informed her that to confirm the transfer, he will first send 5 rupees, then he will send the remaining amount. For transferring 5 rupees, he sent a QR code image and insisted Alice to scan via Google Pay and asked to click proceed to pay and enter her UPI PIN. Alice got confused and then she asked him why she should scan QR code image as he kept insisting her to scan the image and perform next steps. He also mentioned that this fund need to be released from confidential army fund. For that she need to scan the QR code and went on to say once she scans the army server will generate the invoice. Alice felt something fishy and hung up the call and immediately called me. I made her understand that these kind of scams are common nowadays and I decided how about I play with the scammers. So I suggested Alice to prolong the whole situation for some more time so that I can get enough evidences to prove that they are scammers. Alice played her role well. Now she knows they are scammers, but to keep it real for those scammers, she took forward this mango seal deal. Conversation between Alice and scammers have been recorded. In this video, I have only shown the important aspects of the conversation. The conversation between scammers and Alice was in Hindi, so I took my friend's help to get it translated. I have only shown the gist of the conversation in English. Dissection of conversation between Alice and scammers. In first two calls, Alice made the scammers believe that she had fallen prey to the request of scanning the QR code. In the third call, Alice confused the scammer, stating her amount rupees 5 got debited. In the fourth call, Alice tricked the scammer, stating she received rupees 5. In the fifth call, Alice tricked the scammer, stating rupees 19,999 got debited. Call 1 with scammer Ramesh Raju. Scammer manipulating Alice to receive payment by scanning the QR code and convincing that it is not a payment QR code but a 5 rupees voucher.
नहीं, जो मैंने वाउचर डाला ना,
आपने वाउचर नहीं भेजा है, आपने क्यूआर कोड भेजा है मुझे।
क्यूआर कोड नहीं मैडम जी, वो वाउचर है, उसको स्कैन करो आप।
ठीक है, ओके।
हाँ, स्कैन किया?
यस, स्कैन किया।
प्रोसीड टू पे करो। क्या नाम आ रहा है?
कुछ लाल बहादुर जैसा नाम।
बरोबर बरोबर बरोबर। अपने मेरे अकाउंट से अपना अकाउंट के लिए प्रोसीड टू पे करो, पिन मारो, चेक बैलेंस करो, 5 रुपया प्लस हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, लेकिन मैं अगर स्कैन करूंगी तो आपको पैसा आएगा ना?
नहीं 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 मैडम जी,
पैसा
आपका
आएगा।
फीलिंग मैं समझ रहा हूँ आप क्या कहना चाहती हो। आप कहना चाहती तो ये बार कोड है, इसको स्कैन करोगी, प्रोसीड टू पे करूंगा तो तुम्हारा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं, ये साइबर मशीन का वाउचर है, उसमें ऑलरेडी 5 रुपया ऐड है। आप प्रोसीड टू पे करोगी तो तुम्हारे अकाउंट में जाएगा वो।
नहीं, मैं समझा नहीं। जब
मैडम देखो मैडम,
तो हमारा बिजनेस है, तो
बरोबर
मेरे पास वो गूगल पे पेटीएम सब कुछ है। तो
बरोबर मेरा एक मिनट
मतलब
1 मिनट मैडम 1 मिनट मेरा बात सुनो मैडम जी।
करके वो लोग पे करते हैं। अभी
बरोबर समझ रहा हूँ मैं आपका बात समझ रहा हूँ, लेकिन ये बाउचर है, वो क्यूआर कोड होता है, ये होता है बाउचर। ये साइबर मशीन का बाउचर है। मैंने इसीलिए आपको 5 रुपए का डाला है, क्योंकि आपको कुछ कंफ्यूजन लगेगा। आपको अपना टोटल बैलेंस मालूम है ना?
टोटल बैलेंस है।
हाँ मालूम होगा, चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं। अगर मालूम नहीं है तो आप चेक कर लो, और 5 रुपया तुम्हारा प्लस होगा, टोटल बैलेंस में बढ़ेगा, तभी मैं टोटल अमाउंट आपको डालूंगा बाउचर के थ्रू, अन्यथा नहीं डालूंगा। आप श्योर होगी तो तभी डालूंगा, नहीं तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं। इसीलिए श्योर के लिए, कंफर्म के लिए 5 रुपए का ही बाउचर डाला मैंने।
Call 2 with scammer Srikanth. Alice reconfirming about the QR code with scammer Srikanth, and Srikanth assures he is the savior of the nation and do not worry about the payment. Also, he mentions he will send his ID card.
अच्छा
उससे
आपका
होता है आर्मी का, उससे पेमेंट कर देगा वो। पेमेंट का आप कंफर्म करा लीजिए, ठीक है।
हाँ वही सर, आप बोल रहे हैं डेबिट कार्ड, लेकिन वो सर ना आपका जो मैनेजर हैं वो बोल रहे हैं
जी।
कि मैं एक क्यूआर कोड भेजूंगा, उसमें आप ट्रांसफर करो करके बोल रहे हैं। तो मैं क्या
कोई
कर
प्रॉ-
सकती क्यों
कोई-
क्या?
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, डोंट वरी मैडम। मैं आपको अपना आईडी कार्ड भेज देता हूँ, जो ड्यूटी कार्ड है वो भेज देता हूँ, ठीक है।
हाँ सर, क्योंकि ना थोड़ा टेंशन है इसीलिए।
नहीं 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 नहीं, अरे एक इंडियन आर्मी से पोस्टेड है, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं। देश के रक्षक है, देश के सेवक है मैम, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, डोंट वरी।
हाँ इसीलिए सर हमें भी बहुत गर्व है
कोई
आपको
problem नहीं, don't
सर्व
worry।
करने में।
नहीं नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम, आपको घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है। मैं आपको अपना आईडी
Call 3 with scammer Ramesh Raju. Alice bluffed off money getting debited, and the scammer reassures that it cannot happen and constantly insisted to check the balance again and again. In this call, Alice speaks of a transaction screenshot which was faked and given by me.
हाँ आवाज आ रहा है ना?
हाँ आवाज आ रहा है। या आई स्पोक टू श्रीकांत सर।
जी जी।
हाँ ही
तो मैडम
पे।
जी, मैंने आपको जो बाउचर डाला ना,
हाँ
उसको स्कैन करो आप।
हाँ वही वो क्यूआर कोड को मैंने स्कैन किया और मैंने 5 रुपीज एंटर किया और
हाँ।
कोड डाला। तो आपने बोला कि अमाउंट डिडक्ट नहीं होगा, ऐड होगा, लेकिन अमाउंट डिडक्ट हो गया मेरे दुश्मन से।
क्या कह रहे हो मैडम जी?
लेकिन अमाउंट डिडक्ट हो गया सर।
आपका अमाउंट डिडक्ट हो गया?
हाँ डिडक्ट हो गया, मैंने आपको स्क्रीनशॉट भी भेजा है, देखो।
नहीं भेजा होगा वो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आपने मेरे से पीछे क्या आप बोल रहे कि आपका डिडक्ट होगा? मैं मैडम जी ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। आपको अपना टोटल बैलेंस मालूम था?
क्या है?
आपको अपना टोटल बैलेंस मालूम था क्या? हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
नहीं हुआ है सर।
नहीं, चेक बैलेंस में चेक करो, चेक बैलेंस में दोबारा चेक करो दोबारा।
क्या है दोबारा कितने बार चेक करूं? मैं तो चेक कर लिया, नहीं है।
Call 4 with scammer Ramesh Raju. Alice bluffing that she received money and scammer getting happy about it, and the scammer has another QR code to send.
हाँ रमेश सर आ गया।
हाँ आया कि नहीं आया?
आया आया।
हाँ तो मैडम ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, ऐसा थोड़ी मेरे इधर से पेमेंट चला गया था। अभी चेक करो, मैंने आपको दूसरा बाउचर डाल दिया है।
दूसरा वाउचर कहाँ डाला है?
हाँ। व्हाट्सएप में डाला है मैंने, इसी नंबर पे डाला है।
Call 5 with scammer Ramesh Raju. Alice bluffing that rupees 19,999 getting debited and scammer asking transaction history. In this call, Alice speaks of a transaction screenshot which was faked and given by me.
Sir,
हाँ
20,000 got debited, sir. 19,999 got debited in my account.
अच्छा, तो अभी तुम्हारा डेबिट हो गया?
हाँ डेबिट हो गया, मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा है आपको।
अभी आपका टोटल बैलेंस कितना शो कर रहा है?
अयो भैया, पहले सर 27,000 था मेरे अकाउंट में।
अच्छा एक मिनट रुको मैडम जी, लाइन पे रहो।
हाँ तो अभी 20,000 गया है।
एक मिनट रुको। नहीं 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 मैडम जी, डेबिट नहीं होगा मैडम।
क्या रमेश सर आप ऐसे कर रहे हो? श्रीकांत सर को प्लीज कॉन्फ्रेंस में ले लो ना, मैंने तो पे कर दिया है। मैंने
क्या बात?
आपको स्कैन आई मीन इसका नाम क्या है, स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा है, प्लीज आप देख लो एक बार।
एक मिनट मैडम जी, हिस्ट्री का मेरे को स्क्रीनशॉट डालना, हिस्ट्री का।
हाँ
हिस्ट्री का स्क्रीनशॉट डालो मेरे को।
हिस्ट्री का?
हाँ
सर ऐसा कौन करता है सर, आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
वो ट्रांजेक्शन में जो तुम्हारा कटा है ना, डेबिट हुआ है, उधर हिस्ट्री का तो होगा ना। ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता मैडम जी, कट नहीं सकता। एक बार हिस्ट्री का मेरे को
सर हमारे अकाउंट में जाके स्क्रीनशॉट लेके कोई भेजेगा क्या? क्या सर आप भी ना।
Since scammer have not received the money yet, He got agitated and kept asking transaction history. After a few minutes, 10 rupees were credited to Alice by the scammers. They might have got confused, and to reassure about the scoop, they needed to gain trust, so they sent 10 rupees. I asked Alice to block the scammers' numbers, took all the evidences, and left the scene. After some time, once again Alice received a call from scammer Ramesh Raju from a different number. This time, Alice kept ranting that she scanned the QR code which they sent and she lost her money and hung up the call. The whole staging act would have left the scammers in a confused state since we made them believe that we fell prey to them and lost money. QR code scam dissection. Let's say your total balance is 20,000 rupees. You scan QR code of rupees 5, proceed to pay and enter your PIN. In real, 5 rupees gets debited from your account. In prayer, scammers trick you and keep insisting that you will receive 5 rupees. Once you scan the QR code and click proceed to pay and enter your PIN. The moment your 5 rupees gets debited, scammers immediately credit 10 rupees to your account and ask you to check your account balance. Now your balance will show plus 5 rupees. Now you start to believe, oh, this works, the person speaking on other side is genuine. Scammers have already manipulated you and gained the trust now. Now they will send another QR code with the image of higher amount and ask you to follow the same process. Since you already believe the whole coup, you will go ahead with the process. In real, 5,000 gets debited. Now, scammers looted your 5,000 rupees. Either they will switch off the number or they will say it was a technical error and manipulate you to go through same process again to loot more money from you. Some correlated details of QR code scam. WhatsApp DP of the scammers will have some army image or army logo or person wearing army dress. And the mobile numbers used in this scam, that is what happened with my friend Alice, and the names used by these scammers, and the fake profession is Indian Army. And these are some pointers. I work for Indian Army, we do great service to nation, you can trust us. Full payment from Army fund, Army will send you money, scan the voucher, click proceed to pay and enter your UPI pin. 5 rupees will be added to your account, check your account balance, check your transaction history. So these are some of the pointers that are being used by the scammers to persuade you to scan the QR code and follow the process. Always watch out for the following behaviors if you suspect something fishy during these situations. Scammers might repeatedly exaggerate on things, forces you repeatedly to follow their instructions, reassures you repeatedly not to worry, sounds extremely convincing and promising. How to protect yourself? Do not scan QR code from the sources you don't know. Do not believe in buyers or sellers who try to persuade you through exaggerating their profession. If you are selling any products in OLX, Facebook Marketplace or any other platform, as a seller, you don't need to scan any form of QR code. You don't need to click proceed to pay or enter your UPI PIN to receive money. Do not respond to text messages from the sources you don't know. Do not click on the links from the sources you don't know. Do not download any form of attachment if the mail is from the unknown source. Do not fill your card details or any other personal details in the sites that you don't know. Do not believe in calls that demands you to visit some website or pay some money. Do not share your OTP if asked by any website or any person over call. Do not install application from unknown sources. Do not blindly believe in WhatsApp forward messages. Do not panic if you happen to face these kind of situations. In case you fall prey for this kind of scams, things you can do. Raise a fraud ticket immediately. Reach out to support or customer care. Reach out to that particular bank or wallet company in Twitter. File a complaint in cybercrime portal. File a local police complaint. If you have come across any QR code scam incidents, do share them in comments below, or you can also send them to my mail ID so that we can introspect more on that and raise more awareness to people. Also, if you have doubts or questions on the topics discussed today, please leave them in the comments below. I will try to address as many as possible. Some news articles on the QR code scam. A person lost 40,000 rupees through QR code scam. A army doctor loses rupees 90k to QR code scam. At least 20 complaints on QR code scam were reported to cybercrime unit of Chennai police. This is what happened between scammer and Alice. And this is what will be the whole situation of QR code scam. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.